Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington County in northeastern Colorado, southeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shamrock, or 27 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Damage to power poles in central Adams County has been reported with the outflow winds from this thunderstorm. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include
remains in effect until 6:40.
School. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is a dangerous situation. This storm may produce widespread wind damage across eastern Adams and southwestern Washington counties through 5:45 p.m. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.